YouTube, it has been a while. I am back. What's going on? Today I am here with an update on the wide body kit. So you already know the drill. We're ready to get somewhere I can show y'all the car. Alright, so as y'all can see, the car looks amazing. So it looks amazing. It's still holding up. The flares are still holding up very, very well. Let me go to the other side so y'all can see. Yeah, the sun is all in the way, y'all. So you'll see the shadow and stuff. This probably was a bad time to try to do this video on this side. But y'all can see the flares are holding up really, really well. I apologize too. He's really dirty. But I wanted to update you guys on the rubbing. I know that I said I didn't have any rubbing, but unfortunately we have run into some. I don't know if you guys can see, but right here where it's worn down, this is the part where it rubs. So I'm thinking it's hitting the bracket up under here. Let me see if I can get a piece to come out. Yeah, as you can see, it just kind of rubs away because it's really got a lot of friction up under there. So it does rub right here, but I'm thinking if I get smaller wheel tires, like the wall of the tire, because these are 35, so if I get 30s, then it shouldn't rub anymore. And if you look in the front, it's not doing that at all in the front. So the front is good. It's just the rear is giving me a hard time. I'm gonna show y'all the other side. Yeah, so you can see it right here. It's rubbing all right here. Well, like I said, man, the car looks great. It's just that simple problem it's having. I think if I go down to a 20, 30, 315s, then we should be good. Like I said, y'all, don't mind the car. It's dirty. So, but we are still alive and well. So I'm trying to see what I want to do about that. I think I need to get that fixed as soon as possible, and then we'll be able to go on to different modifications for the car. But he is doing great. This light irks me though. But yeah, that's the update on the wide body kit. It's holding up great. Just that one issue, man. Just that one issue. Everything else is great. The paint, it looks good. He did a good job. So yeah. Alright, so hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. What's good, YouTube? I'm back. To be honest, I do not remember why I put that in the video. Ooh, y'all see the inside. Don't stop playing with me. I don't know why I put that in the video, but I do want to say I'm still experiencing the rubbing, and I believe it is because whenever I hit bumps, the car like squats down onto the tires, because I still have stock suspension, and so yeah. So I believe my tires are just scrubbing the bracket whenever I go over bumps, because I have I still have stock suspension. So I'm thinking if I go down in tire size, it'll get rid of that problem. The only thing is there's a lot of wheel gap. I'm not really too worried about it. I think it'll be alright. I think I'll be okay. And if I have to, you know, I'll do whatever I gotta do to fix the problem. If I don't like the way it looked, then I'll just get some more suspension. But right now, I just want to stop it from rubbing, because I don't want it to eventually rub the bracket off and then my daggone fender flare come off. So yeah, but I think that's the reason why I did the video like that. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. I'ma do a little POV. Oh yeah, also wanted to thank you guys for 500 subscribers, yo. That's crazy. That is crazy. I got the community tab now, so y'all look out for my community tab updates. I'll be posting and asking y'all questions on there, cause I really do. I want y'all's feedback. So leave a comment. Don't be scared to leave comments. Leave comments. Like the video. Share the video. All of the things, y'all. I'll be posting on the community tab. For real, for real. Also, today is Resurrection Sunday. A lot of people say Easter, but you know, I believe in the resurrection. So, but yeah. So I'm gonna let y'all enjoy this little POV. And yeah, if I have something, I'll talk back. I'm for real cold, bro. For real cold. There we go. Man, this Chrysler literally doing like 40 miles per hour. Come on, bro. As y'all can see, I'm in eco mode. I stay in eco mode because I do not see where I'm at. 100 miles. Gas is crazy. Gotta do a little pull for y'all. Got to.